Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur mon chaîne. Voilà, je suis de retour avec notre 6e leçon, les nombres. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you French number 0 to 50. So watch our video till the end. It is very important lesson if you are learning French for the first time. So this is a basic lesson which is going to be useful in every basic conversation, like while traveling, while purchasing, and while doing your self-introduction by telling your age, how many brother and sister you have, and so and so. So watch it till the end and don't forget to subscribe if you are watching me for the first time. Allons-y. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How it was? Let's repeat together because this is the basic. For larger number you are going to add 1 till 9. So this is the basic funda that you need to remember, right? Let's repeat together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how will you memorize the pronunciation part? In English, as you say 0, but in French you say zéro, because E for E. You pronounce E as E in French, so zéro, right? So 1, 2, look at here, 2, X is silent. 3, S is silent. You just say 3. You don't pronounce S, which is at the end, right? Now, 4, 4, E is silent, which is at the end. 5, 6, 7. It is written as S-E-P-T, but you don't pronounce P. That is silent. 7. Now 8, 9, 10. You don't say X, which is at last, you just say 10, like that it ends by S, 10, right? So memorize it because that is going to play a very big role in memorizing all the larger number. So let's see 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Can we repeat together? Nous allons répéter. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the key to remember the number 11 to 16 is that all these numbers end by Z. You will say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Whatever is E at end are all silent. You just pronounce it 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now for 16, 18 and 19, it is like you are adding 10 plus 7. 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9. How will you say? 17. 10 and 7. 18. 10 and 8. 19. 10 and 9. Right? That is the key to memorize it. I hope that will help you. Now, 20. T which is at last is silent. You just say 20. Repeat. 20. Now the rule will change from 21, and keep in mind that all the number which end by 1 is, you need to add and in between, like 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. You need to add and in between them. Listen carefully. 21, 21, 20 and 1, and that will apply in all the larger numbers till 61. Right? Now carry on. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How will you memorize it? You just learn how to pronounce 20, and then you will add the smaller number along with it. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay? So for 30, you say 30. 30. It is written as 30. Look at here. It is written 30. But you pronounce it 30. So again you will add and in between 30 and 1. Let's carry on. 31. It is only applied on number which is with 1, right? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You will add only the smaller number along with 30 as the same rule as in 20. That's why I tell you that learn properly the basic number which is 1 to 9. That is very helpful for all the larger number. Can we repeat together? Nous allons répéter 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 40 for 40. Right? So again you will add and in between 40 and 1. 41 for 41. Then the same rule as in previous. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. How was that? Can we repeat together? 41, 42. Normally it is written as it is written as here 41, 44, 42. But you know, when you will speak with fluency, then you say 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, we complete 0 to 50 today, and make sure you learn well your lesson. It will help you in every basic conversation, as I told you earlier. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. If you have any doubt, then let us know in the comment section. See you, bye bye, and take care. Au revoir et à très bientôt.